People have long used personality tests to find the perfect job. Anyone scoring as an introvert, for example, might chafe at a career in sales or public relations, but might find research or library science worth pursuing. And just ask any classic extrovert if she'd rather spend her workday interacting with people or with laboratory test tubes. If you know your on-the-job personality, you can use that to find your perfect fitness routine. That's right, take a typological approach to your workout. Welcome back to How to Be, and before we go down to our new topic, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can access more of our videos. Excited to get to know your workout tribe? Well, let's begin. Extroverts' social fitness aura. Individuals who rate high on the extroversion dimension tend to be outgoing, energetic, and attracted to excitement and stimulation. They tend to feel positive emotions intensely. If you fall under this category, you might want to try external stimulation like running clubs, group fitness classes, competitive team sports, CrossFit, or rock climbing with friends. Make sure to avoid fitness regimens that are boring or repetitive. Of Zen and Peace. Introverts fitness category. Introverts rate low on the extroversion scale and tend to view potential environmental rewards, such as food, sex, social interaction, or money with a lower dopamine response. They're just not as necessary or attractive. It is a true know thyself conundrum, because depending on life circumstances, introverts may actually need more external stimulation. For instance, an introvert who works from home may not get enough external stimulation from work or home life, and may be inclined to seek out exercise experiences that offer social interaction. If this describes your situation, you may want to put these activities on your list: running alone, working out at home gym, or wearing headphones when working out in public to signal a desire not to be interrupted. And lastly, analytical and keeping it on track. Detail-oriented workers like the certainty of structure and rules. These are the masters of the Excel spreadsheet. In the gym or on the field, these types really want to noodle out why I'm doing this exercise instead of another, and what does the research say about this exercise? Which workouts will push their buttons? Think rule-based sports like golf or baseball. The details, what's the right grip, what pitch to throw, really matter. Big picture thinkers, on the other hand, are more tolerant, even welcoming of risk and uncertainty. They like flexibility and room to experiment. Fitness routines that suit this type involve creativity and intuition. Dance classes, Pilates, and power yoga, where each pose can be interpreted to different degrees, work well. And there you have it, pals. Always remember that before you jump onto the gym or running the bandwagon, ask yourself if it's something you'll really enjoy. Furthermore, there's no right or wrong when it comes to exercise. Just make sure you choose something you like doing and are able to do. Now, all you need to do is take the first step and keep taking that step every day. Before you know it, you will be on the path to fitness. Did you like this video? If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be and click that notification bell while you're at it. Short and sweet, right? See you in the next episode of How to Be.